going on, guys? Got another one. Gonna be out here racing against the weather. It's supposed to snow later this afternoon. I'm trying to make it my way back into here and see if I can pick up some elk or deer. A lot of boot tracks coming into here, but gonna see if I can push back a little farther than everybody else, depending on how this weather holds up, and hopefully pick up a few browns or even just a couple really big old ones. Some big deer in here, and there's some big elk. I got a big elk single that I'd like to try to match up, but with the amount of people that have been coming in here, I'm sure somebody else probably already has it. But yeah, it's really nice and cool. Feels good out here, but we're gonna push on. Probably won't video most of this because I'd like to try to get back to where we turned off last time I was in here. Start up from there, but hopefully I'll have a heavy pack coming back out of here later today. Kidding me? I've been sitting right here under this tree, and I look back behind me, right over there. There's elk shed. I've been sitting here for like, and it's brown too. Yes. Oh, the weather just started to change. Oh, there's the other side. What? I got a match set right here. I didn't even see that side. Oh, what? There's one. And there's two. Get them back out here. Are you kidding me? Match set. I didn't even see this other side. I was just gonna dive off this side hill. That's awesome. The weather's starting to change, but I'm into some good sign right now. So hopefully we can pick up some more. It's starting to snow a little bit, but I don't even care. I'm into sheds right now. I got 3 with this one right here. I was sitting down up on top of the hill here, just thinking about what I was gonna do. Started to take off, walked. Is this the other side to my bull? I picked up a shed last week, and that's a good shed. That's a big 5th on him. That is awesome. 3 browns. 3 browns. I'm gonna kind of work my way along this side hill. I'm in them. I just gotta keep pushing now. This is awesome. Well, the weather definitely took a turn for the worse. I'm soaked. I'm quite a ways back in here. I picked up 3 browns, but it's really starting to come down. And it's just, you know, there comes a time when you gotta make a decision, just get the hell out and not even try to be dumb about it. You know, I'll get better days that I can come back in here and kind of circle back around and pick a few more, but I'm gonna throw my 3 that I have on my pack, start making my way out of here. But it's starting to snow pretty good, coming down, looking pretty white to the north, but get those bad boys thrown on the pack and get out of this muddy hole that we're in. Note to self: when the weather calls for winter storm advisory, that means stay at home. Not try to go out and beat the storm so you can pick up sheds. I mean, I picked up sheds, but holy crap. I am soaked. I still got, like, I don't know, I can't see. from looking at my Onyx, I got probably another 3 miles. 2 more big ridges to climb, and then I'm back at the truck. So, yeah. Probably wasn't the best idea to try to beat the storm this morning, but I really didn't think it was going to hit until later in the day. Well, it was 2 hours early, so it caught me when I was way back where I wanted to kind of turn around and start working my way back out. But it happens. I picked up a couple. I can't be too upset. So keep working my way out of here. I've been in the first part of this area where a lot of people have hit it already, so I don't think I'll pick up anything else. And there's a good inch of snow on the ground already from this morning. So take my time, get out of here, get to the truck, and get warmed back up. So keep on chugging.